Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by covering the essentials quickly. Focus on Python and the math you will actually use. Start coding daily and set up a lightweight environment with Git, Jupyter, and a virtualenv or Conda. Once done, learn to read datasets and run simple scripts. This gives immediate feedback. Make sure to prioritize applied exercises over theory at first, because doing small projects builds intuition fast and keeps you motivated to move to models. You now focus on building and validating models. Start with scikit-learn pipelines and cross-validation to avoid leakage. Move to TensorFlow or PyTorch for neural networks. Learn transfer learning and hyperparameter search. Once comfortable, integrate preprocessing, feature engineering, and proper metrics into reproducible notebooks. Make sure to version data and code so experiments are traceable. This habit prevents wasted time. Keep iterating on small real datasets until training, evaluation, and you finish by moving a model into production. Wrap inference in a REST API, containerize, and add basic monitoring for performance and drift. Make sure to document decisions and produce clear results for your portfolio. Once done, prepare interview stories and share code publicly to attract attention. If things go wrong, data shift, flaky metrics, reproduce the issue on a fixed snapshot, add tests, and roll back to a known good model. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.